Well, hello everyone. I'm James Cutsinger, as you've probably guessed, your professor for this class. And I thought I would post just this very brief welcoming video. You'll be hearing plenty more from me later, though in that case, fortunately, without having to look at me too. Just the voice and much more edifying and informative images. I have had a great deal of fun creating this class, and I hope it's fun for you too. Having said that, however, I need to admit right up front here that this is not easy stuff. We're here to learn about the world's religions, after all. And religion is concerned with the big issues, ultimate questions, right? God, creation, life after death, simple things like that. My job as your professor is to make those big ideas as accessible and digestible as I possibly can. But you're going to have to meet me halfway. And that means accepting the challenge and lifting your thoughts into zones they may not be used to. So yes, I hope the course is fun. But I'd be lying if I didn't tell you right away that it's going to require considerable mental perspiration as well. I don't need to say much about myself. I don't want to say much about myself. I've put my academic credentials on the About Your Professor page. And if you want to know more, you can always go to my website. So let me just say this. Ever since I was a little boy, walking around on my father's farm, gazing up at the stars at night, I have been fascinated by religion, by other worlds, by what we're doing on this planet anyway, by the question of what happens to us when we die. And I think probably the most important thing you could know about me right now is I've never grown up. Talk to you later.